What's up? Today I am dyeing my hair for the first time. Never did this shit to myself or anyone ever. And we're gonna see what the fuck happens. It is called Tish and Snooki's Manic Panic New York City Amplified Flash Lightning Super Strength Bleach Kit. Let's just get right to it. The contents: nice brush, this little tub, developer, gloves, bleach powder. It just became real. And it's sizzling. Look at the stupidity. Activation hairnet. I honestly have not even looked at it yet. So I'm just gonna drag it and reveal it for me and you to see at the same damn time. Yo, I look like Stan.
Dear mister, I'm too good to call and write my fans.
What the fuck did I do to myself? Well, this wasn't educational. No one that's about to dye their hair learned anything here. It was just a stupid ass experience I wanted to film. I did. And I'm fucking blonde, son. Thanks for watching, and don't do anything stupid. Don't do anything I do. Just be yourself, because at the end of the day, everybody's unique, and I just made myself fucking stupid. See ya.